Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I ended up eating so much pasta last night and falling asleep, which means that I left my computer outside, my headphones outside, and my external hard drive outside. I left everything outside and it rained overnight. And when I tell you it didn't just rain, it poured. So I've been trying to get rid of all of the water in my computer and just praying that it turns on, because right now it is not turning on. I mean, it was soaked. I soaked it in rice for a couple hours. It's not really doing much. I'm kind of stressed out because all of my editing stuff is on there and I'm praying I don't lose everything. If my computer's completely broken, then that just sucks, but I'm just praying that my editing footage is saved and my hard drive is okay. I do have an appointment at Geek Squad at like 2:40. I'm gonna go there and take it, and hopefully it just can be fixed easily and quickly. If it can't, then I'll deal with that at that time, because I can't think about that right now. To be determined where this video is going to take us. I didn't get a chance to do anything last night. It's supposed to rain all day today, I think. I really hope I can get some plans in. I have to make some plans today because I can't stay home. So this is the current situation. Let's see if it'll turn on. And then it goes away. Okay. You guys, you can see where my headphones, laptop, and everything was. It poured last night. My hair looks crazy. Change of plans. I didn't go to my appointment. As I was looking at the website on Geek Squad, I came to realize that they don't fix those kind of repairs. So I actually have to contact Apple. I took my computer out of rice because I read on Google that you shouldn't do that anymore. I think my computer is done for, but I'm just really hoping it's not, because it is brand new. I did get it last year. Anywho, it's a gloomy day. I stayed in all day. I cleaned so much. You know what I'm gonna do now? I want to make rose water. I've been wanting to make some for a really long time now, so I'm gonna do that. And I have a bunch of roses I can pick from. Look how cute these are. My boyfriend got them for me when I came back from Europe. Like, upset. I have a feeling these are going to make amazing rose water. So friends, so I got ready, put myself up together just a tad. I'm going out for some cocktails with my mom and some of her friends, and at least I made my plans today, remember? My computer is still not working, so I have to figure that out tomorrow. I gotta figure out what to wear. The weather is giving fall right now, so I'm not too concerned. I feel like you can style fall clothes so easily, and I love styling fall clothes, so let's pick out something to wear. Before I pick out what outfit I want to wear, I want to say that this is the star of the show. This bag is from Teddy Blake and I am absolutely in love with it. Just for the sake of transparency, they did send it to me and asked me to give my own thoughts on it. They did not say that I need to say anything specifically, which I really admire when brands do that, because it doesn't happen too often, as sad as that sounds. But this is just stunning. Like, the quality of the leather on this bag, it's affordable, it's cute, it's chic, it's literally giving. Like, you can wear this with anything. They sent this to me when I was in Europe, and obviously I never got a chance to see it, open it, and whatnot, and I opened it yesterday and I'm just in awe. So whatever we wear tonight is gonna look extra good with this bag. Best feeling ever, all the time. I'm thinking oversized sweater with a pair of baggy jeans, just cause, you know, that's just a go-to, especially if it's fall. Maybe I'll pair it up with the sweater. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm going with my original plan, which I know I didn't say it on here, but I'm just sticking with the white tee that I had, putting on a leather jacket over the shoulders, my baggy jeans. I'm not sure what shoe I am gonna wear yet. I already have all my gold jewelry on, and the bag, chef's kiss with this outfit. Yeah, that's you. That's you. Okay, I'm back home. I changed. I don't even know what this fit is right now, but it looks cuter in person. We're gonna go get food. What time is it?
11.
It's 11, so there's not many places open right now. Okay, here's the reality. We went and grabbed drinks, but now we're getting McDonald's because honestly, McDonald's
Because the
just...
food was ass.
No, it wasn't bad. The fries were good.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Hi, let me get a triple cheeseburger and let me get a 20-piece nuggets,
No, it's too much.
2 large fries.
Oh my god. That's why I wanted to get an Oreo flurry. I saw that they changed their cups. Oh my gosh, this looks... Can you see inside?
Yeah, habibi, yeah.
Don't go close. I
I'm
don't
not,
want
I'm
close.
not.
Go further away.
Yummy.
Oh my god. I miss this taste so much. I feel like this is gonna be a fun, random, spontaneous vlog. Hi friends, happy Saturday. My computer is still done for. I was supposed to get a new one today, but I have no car right now, so might do that later, might not. In the meantime, let's open up some packages. While I'm currently binge watching The Secret Lives of Mormon, the one with Taylor Frankie Paul. I'm only like 10 minutes in. Seems pretty good. I actually got these shoes before I went to Europe, but I got a size slightly too big. I got an 8.5. I'm normally an 8. I returned my 8.5 and I got a size 8. But let me just show you. These are the fishnet shoes. I'm obsessed with them. I know they look really weird and they may not be everyone's style, but let me just tell you, once you style them and put them on, they're so freaking cute and they remind me of the Alea ones. Lila, which is designer, she created these first and then everyone's kind of started copying them, but these are really, really high quality and super cute. I even saw some people wearing these with socks. I can't wait to style that. Oh, I forgot I got this. I got a little pouch for my laptop. How cute. It's for when I'm on the go, but it's too small, so I have to return it. I also got them in white. Aren't they just so freaking cute? These are Screaming Vacation. The appearance may not look super cute to some of you guys, and I'm not gonna lie, I felt the same way when I first saw them, but they grew on me and they're everything now. The best part is they actually secure your foot when you're walking. I wore these all over Europe, so they're just the perfect traveling shoe, and they're very breathable and comfortable. I don't know, I love them. Which one's cuter, the black or the white? The black I've been able to wear more. The white I haven't worn yet. Wait, I have to show you, this packaging is so cute. I got a little pouch, well actually a large pouch from Stony Clover because I love the ones I currently have and they're just a game changer when it comes down to pouches. The quality is so, so nice. Look how cute this packaging is. It's a really large nylon pouch. It can fit so much. Such great quality too. I'm doing a weekend vlog. All right guys, I left my dungeon. Bianca came to pick me up.
Hey!
Oh, you look so cute.
We're going to... Can you guess where?
Red? Okay, then we have to have a cheese plate.
Oh, we can make a cheese plate.
Okay. I haven't had one in a while either. Which one should we get? I'm ready. I made us a little cheese plate. I forgot, I never showed you a haul of what we got at Target. We got these fruit roll-ups, fruit snacks, M&Ms. You guys, I got these drinks for Labor Day and I have not tried them yet. I forgot them here, so we're gonna try them. They're both limited edition. I love On the Rocks. They have really good cocktails. You keep them at home, take a little sip. They're actually pretty strong yet tasty. We're gonna try them. Every time I come to my boyfriend's house, I literally devour these little seeds. Like, when I tell you I'm obsessed, it's like on another level. Let's try this first. So, okay, first of all, it's an On the Rocks cocktail. It's called the Midori Sour. It's a limited release. It has
like a
Midori, melon liquor, and vodka.
Let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers. The thing is, their cocktails are strong.
They are really strong. But it's
Ooh.
good. It's very, like, if you like that, like
Like, this will
sweet
do
sour.
something to you.
Oh, yeah. It's 20% alcohol. But if you like that sweet, sour type of cocktail, definitely drink this.
I feel like they're trying to resemble Green Jolly Rancher.
Mm-hmm.
That's literally...
It does taste like a green Jolly Rancher.
I don't know if it's a drink that I'd like to sip on, though. I guess I could see
too,
myself...
It's too sweet for me.
Yeah.
But the sourness of it is good. But if you're into sweet drinks, then this cocktail's perfect for you.
It's sweet, but it's strong at the same time.
Yeah.
Alrighty, just a little recap. I'm at my second Best Buy. I fell asleep at my boyfriend's house. I woke up super early, came home, showered, got ready for the day, was ready to have such a productive day. Then I realized that my purse was at his house, so I ended up going to his house, hanging out with his family for a little bit. The Best Buy by me does not have this computer in stock, so I went to the local Best Buy by him that did have it in stock. Get there, go to check out. I can't check out because I completely forgot my ID. Mind you, I stopped at my boyfriend's house to get this bag for my ID, just to realize in the end it was never with me. So I came home, grabbed my ID, and now I'm at another local Best Buy that's like 25 minutes away from me, so quite lengthy. My whole day I've been going back and forth. Let's hope I can get this computer. At least the weather is really nice. Finally. Okay, I'm back home and I'm in a little bit of a time crunch. It feels so good to be home. I just had a little bit of a snack and I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes to clean whatever I can clean, get done whatever I can get done. Let's get some done. Guys, I am so excited about this. Like, I needed this so bad. My computer wasn't even old, but it was just not suited for editing whatsoever. But I just felt very like wrong to go purchase another one just because I just got it within the last year or so. And then this whole thing happened and I feel like this whole time I was focusing on the fact that I was so sad that I left my computer outside and it got rained on. And I've just been really focusing on that when I was walking to my car, I realized that I never really gave myself a chance just to be excited about purchasing something new. And also, like, I needed this. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this soon, but let's do some cleaning and get ready and feel cutesy again because I feel literally hideous right now. Okay, bye. Guys, the rose water was a success. I'm so excited to use this. Alright guys, I did my makeup, did my hair. I'm feeling a little bit better. I actually cleaned before my 30-minute mark, so I was really happy about that. I'm mid setting up my new computer right now. I have to show you guys. Oh, I'm just so happy right now. It's gonna feel so good, especially when I'm editing. I already know I'm going to see the biggest difference ever. It actually feels very lightweight. I was doing some research about it on my way home, and oh my gosh, it has amazing features, especially comparing it to my old computer. And my computer wasn't even that old, but these features are just fantastic for someone who edits. I literally cannot wait to start editing. I only have about an hour to spare, and I'm about to dive in and just utilize every single minute of that hour and edit more content, because first of all, we need to stay productive. Second of all, any little bit of editing could help me tomorrow. Alrighty, this is the final look. She's cute, she's basic, she's simple, but she's comfortable. All of my favorite things, my sneakers. These are New Balances, I love these so much. Sneakers because we're gonna walk around a lot. You guys already know I've worn these jeans like 15 times already. This Kai basic white tee, I think she might be my absolute favorite when it comes down to basics. I got this before I went to Europe and I've been obsessed with it. And of course, my Ted Baker bag. Guys, you see, this is why I love this bag so much. Not only is it luxury and affordable, but it's also super cute and matches with literally everything you can wear. Anywho, let's get going.